Welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 2008 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. This example has 120,000 miles. It has a clean title, clean CarFax. It's a beautiful crystal silver metallic over a black leather interior. It's optioned with the 21-inch sport design wheels and wheel arch extensions. It has Pirelli tires at all four corners that are all in nice shape. Black leather interior. Very minor amounts of wear. The dash is clean. Everything works properly. Good stereo, good HVAC. All height levels and all of that work properly. It's the 4.8 liter twin turbo. Good for 0 to 60 in about 5.4 seconds. So there you have it, our 2008 Porsche Cayenne Turbo.